The amazing thing about OneCart is being able to see all your data in a unified dashboard. So this is just a test account, so it's only Lazada showing up. But suppose you have your Shopee, Amazon, TikTok Shop, Shopify all connected here. All your data will appear here as a unified source of truth. So you'll be able to see your total gross sales, your gross margin, and even by platform or even by shops, if you have multiple shops in a single platform. All that data arranged for you in order to understand what is happening in your business. You have more types of reports, sales drill down, where you can also filter by date as well, see the total sales that your business has at this moment, and other reports like cancellations, how many cancellations, which SKUs are being cancelled overall. You'll be able to see all that report right over here. We also have a new feature, the overstock analysis, where you'll be able to analyze which of your SKUs are being overstocked, and you can make decisive decisions in order to grow your business.